Hello everybody. Today I will be showing you how to copy an angle. To start, I can draw an angle of any size. I'm going to label the points of this angle as points A, B, and C. Then I can take my compass and put the point of my compass on the vertex of my angle. The vertex is the middle point in my angle, so I'm going to take the point of my compass and put it on point B. Then I can extend my pencil anywhere along one of my lines of my angle. Here I'm extending it along line BC. I will then make an arc on line BC and an arc on line AB of the same length. I can set my compass aside and draw a new line segment somewhere else on my paper. I'm going to label the left side of my line as point E. This is going to be the vertex of my new angle. I can then put the point of my compass on point E and do the same steps as what I did with my other angle. I'm going to draw an arc along my line and an arc above my line or below my line, somewhere close to where I think the arc would be after I've drawn the angle. Where my arc intersects with my line segment, I'm going to label that as point F. Then I can go back to my original angle and put the point of my compass on one of my arcs and the pencil of my compass on the other arc to measure the length between those two. I can then make a small arc to make sure that it's in the right spot before I take the point of my compass and put it on point F. From here, I can draw a new arc that should intersect with that old arc that I drew above line EF. I'm going to label this new intersection as point D. Then I can take my pencil and my ruler and I can draw a line from point E to point D. And what I can see is angle DEF is the same size as angle ABC. And if I wanted to, I can make a new angle that is twice as big as angle ABC by just using line DE as the base for duplicating another angle. So here, I can use my compass and put the point of my compass back on point E and measure the length from E to F and draw another arc somewhere below line EF, where I think that it would be if I drew a second line. Usually I like to make this one a little bit bigger because I'm not as confident about where it might be. Then I can put the point of my compass on point D and the pencil of my compass on point F to measure the length between those two. And then I can draw an arc of this length that intersects with that new arc that I just drew. Like so. Where these two arcs intersect, I'm going to label this as point G. And just like before, I can use my ruler and my pencil to draw a line from point E to point G. And now I can see that angle GEF is twice as big as angle ABC. But it is still proportional to angle ABC because I just duplicated that angle twice. And that's how you copy an angle. I hope you have a great rest of your day.